Listen and repeat.
Hello. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Michael Smith. I work as a baker at Breadhaven Bakery.
How long have you worked as a baker?
I've worked as a baker for 20 years.
Do you still find the profession enjoyable?
Yes, definitely.
Please describe the role of a baker for our listeners. What does a typical day at the bakery look like?
In the morning, I wake up very early. Our work starts at 4 o'clock a.m. We bake bread and cakes. Or we prepare sandwiches and appetizers. The bakery opens at 6 o'clock a.m.
What are the positives and negatives of your job?
I appreciate the variety between baking and selling. I believe the pay isn't sufficient. My wage is relatively low.
Hello, please introduce yourself.
My name is Jennifer Thompson. I live in Springfield. I'm 39 years old.
How do you make a living?
I work as a computer scientist. I have many tasks to do.
What's difficult about being a computer scientist?
As a computer scientist, you need to always learn new things. Technology is always changing.
What are the pros and cons?
I like the independence. Being independent means I am my own boss. However, it also comes with a lot of responsibility and work. Many times, I have to work in the evenings or on weekends. I often end up working very long hours.
What's your job?
I am a mechanic. I fix cars.
What do you work as?
I am a babysitter. I take care of kids.
What is your work?
I make bread. I am a baker.
What do you do at work?
I drive a taxi. I am a taxi driver.
What's your profession?
I am a shop assistant. I sell clothes.
What's your occupation?
I am a teacher. I teach students.
What do you do for a living?
I am a farmer. I grow vegetables.
What do you do?
I am a police officer. I catch bad guys.
I help people with legal issues. I am a lawyer.
I build houses. I am a construction worker.
I write stories. I am a writer.
I fly planes. I am a pilot.
I take care of sick people. I am a nurse.
I design buildings. I'm an architect.
I study the stars. I am an astronomer.
I cook in a restaurant. I am a chef.
I drive a big truck. I am a truck driver.
I work in an office. I am an office worker.
I deliver packages. I am a delivery person.
I play music. I am a musician.
I take care of gardens. I'm a gardener.
I take care of patients' teeth. I am a dentist.
I design clothes. I am a fashion designer.
I create and manage websites. I am a web developer.
I work with numbers and money. I am an accountant.
I investigate and solve crimes. I am a detective.
I take care of people's hair. I am a hairdresser.